And once you change it to British pound, you see that the selling rate of British pound, one British pound is 645 naira. Meanwhile, the bank rate for British pound is 509 for one particular bank in Nigeria that I know, 509. Then for other banks I know is what, 558 point something.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is still WATERFRED'S here. If you're new here, click on the red subscribe button. So today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy dollar, pound and euro with our Nigerian ATM card and make profit without having to buy cryptocurrency or step out of your room. So stick to the end, watch this video to the end, and let me show you how I do this.
So guys, let us open KiaKia FX. So guys, this is KiaKia FX app, and you know that in line with the C.B.N restrictions, not just the restriction now, but the ban on crypto and saying anyone dealing on crypto, their accounts might be closed. So I have found another method which you can be able to do arbitrage without having to buy crypto directly with your card. So now this is KiaKia FX. So once you download KiaKia FX, you log in. This is my account. I've created mine, and let me log in. So once you sign in, now you see this front page where they said buy, sell. Now you have to, let me quickly get you through the app. The first thing you do here is that you come to this wallet, and once you click on wallet, you will see that there is NGN balance. If you click on NGN, it will change. You see USD, you see your pound, and you see your euro. Now, how you fund this is, how you do your arbitrages, you click on this USD, but and then you can click on fund wallet, but this one is not so profitable. The profit margin is very small. So the first thing I recommend you do is, first of all, before you even do arbitrage, go to this place and add your bank accounts. Verify yourself on your BVN and add your accounts. You can see I've added a Naira account and I've added a dollar account. You can click on add and you can add another account. Select the country, select the currency that you want to add. You can add Naira, you can add USD, you can add British pound, you can add euro. This is a very wonderful app. Now for the arbitrage, now let's go back to wallet. What you select here is what, pound. The pound is far more profitable than to buy the USD. Reason being that what, if you go back on this app, you see that if you click on sell, you will see that and then you select, this is USD, you will see the rate is 465. Bank rate, because you are going to be buying a bank rate now is 450.5. that is the maximum. Then and you are selling at 465. If you click on proceed, you will pay this amount of money, and then you are going to make profit, but it is going to be very small. So what I recommend you do is what, change this USD to what, British pound. And once you change it to British pound, you see that the selling rate of British pound, one British pound is 645 naira. Meanwhile, the bank rate for British pound is 509 for one particular bank in Nigeria that I know, 509. Then for other banks I know is what, 558 point something, 558 point something, or maximum 559. So this one is far more profitable, guys.
WATERFRED, Mike Jaya, Kaiga, Ogana Mama, Eguibo, Ogana Nato. Egwu anyị je mba omenani n'ogene atọ ụtọ mmanụ gbaba ya n'ọma mma ogene atọ ụtọ ije. Now please note that all Nigerian cards have $100 monthly limit. So you swipe this for a month, about 5 to 7 cards. You swipe this for a month, and then you have to wait for the next month. You have to also realize that this transaction, everything on this platform is legit and legal, and I recommend you only use the cards that belong to you. And not all cards work here, but I know the cards that work, and I will tell you all the cards that work if you need to know. With this British pound, now once you click on British pound, the minimum you should do for your money to be sent to you, for you to withdraw, is what, 50 USD. Now what you now do is what, you click on proceed.
Now you see sell, then account to credit. You select your Naira account. So yes, select your Naira account. Then you select the reference, anything, maybe utilities, and just click on this, and then you click on what transfer. You see that you are paying 50 British pound and you are paying 500 Naira fee. The rate is 645 and you receive 31,750. So if you remove this 500 Naira fee, you will see that you receive 31,250, and then you click on what pay with debit card. But before we click on pay with debit card, let us do quick maths. So let us quickly open our notepad. So this is notepad, and we are going to receive final receiving. We are going to receive 31,750. Now if we subtract 500, which is the fee, we are going to receive 31,250. Now let us go and check the amount we are going to spend. We are going to spend 509 times 50 pounds, which is 25,450. So let us go back to our notepad, subtract this by 24. How much again? 25,450. 25,450. So now let us go back to our calculator, clear everything, and we say 31,250. 31,250 minus 25,450. 25,450. So we'll see where we'll be making a gain of 5,800 Naira for the $100 that is on that card. But frankly speaking, I know just one card that the rate is as low as that. Other rates are 558 for other banks, 558 to 1 British pound. So guys, so the profit will still be between 3,000 Naira to this 5,800. So now let us go back to that app, to our app, and then once you click on debit card, pay with debit card. Always pay with debit card, because that is when the profit will come, when you'll be charged at bank rates. You now see you'll be brought out for you to make your payment and pay debit card. So you fill in your card details here. Now let us still go back to other features of this app. When you click on wallet, you can still from here click on fund wallet, select the currency. You are funding British pound and you are paying with what? British pound. And then you select the amount, you put 50. If you want to check, you can just put £1 to check the rate. Yes, you can. I recommend you first do £1, then check the rate to confirm before you now proceed, and make sure it is less than what? 645. Of course, it's going to be far less than that 645, at least 45 to 50 Naira difference in most banks. Now, I always recommend you put remarks on your transaction, because it will help you. It will help make your transactions unique. So let us put a remark. So our remark can be very unique, and we'll go like, I'll go like chin chin. Chinchin ka eji ara otu nwanyị na village. Yes, something very unique. Or you can just make this more nice. Let's make it more nice, and let's go like ego ka eji ka eji ara. Why are you making a capital letter? Ara. Ka eji ara otu nwanyị na Lagos. Yes. Ego ka eji ara otu nwanyị na Lagos. So if you know what that means, it means that the Lord is good all the time. Now you click on what? Debit card. Always fund with debit card and not bank transfer, because that's when you make the profit. So it will bring you here, and you now pay your what? You now pay for the what? The £1. So guys, that is it guys for you to check. So guys, time for the cards. If you want to know the cards that work here, the cards that work well on this platform, not all Nigerian cards work here, but if you want to know, you message me on Instagram at WATERFRED'S, and we'll take it out from there. Okay, if you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you did not, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And make sure you comment on my video, share it on those social media platforms so that I put two again. And if you have any questions, or if you want to know how I make more profits and how I do other things that I do on the internet legally and legitimately to make profits, message me on Instagram at WATERFRED'S. WaterFred one, I'll be sure to help. Thanks for watching once more, and see you in the next one. Peace.